Welcome to Liferaft. In Contacts, store all your important names and addresses, from family and friends to carers and healthcare professionals. Contacts is also the place for sending messages, sharing your information, or inviting others to link to your accounts. Adding contacts is easy. Import contacts from your Google address book, etc. by linking your accounts. New contacts can be added directly using the Add Contact. If the contact has an email address, you can invite them to set up an account, and you can then share your information with them. When you share information, you keep control and can select what others can and cannot see. You always maintain control over your details and can also easily change this or stop sharing at any time. If you've accepted an invitation from someone, you can see their details by clicking the View button. You'll be taken to their account with view-only permissions and the option to leave a comment. To get back to your own account, just click on your name in the top right of the screen. Adding organisations is also possible. You can then link contacts to an organisation, for instance, a GP, and a district nurse linked to your GP surgery or teachers linked to a school. Finally, invitations that you've sent are listed and can be cancelled if needed. Invitations you receive are also listed and you can accept or reject them.